Happy Friday, everybody! So today is a beautiful day, and do y'all know what we do on beautiful days?
Me. We make slime. But this here is different.
Yeah.
Some of these slimes you might not know, like this one and this one, or some you might know from one of our making slime channels. But we are going to mix them. But some of them, if we like them, we will keep them. I have a keep bucket. Caitlin does not.
Yeah, so on beautiful days we make slime, and we love slime, and like our other videos, we show our slime mostly, but we've never mixed our slime, so we were like...
No, we've mixed it once, but not in front of you.
Well, yeah, not in front of you guys. And so were just like, hey, why don't we just mix our slime? So
yeah, why don't we just do it? Yeah. So here we are. I will do it first.
Ready? Look at this caterpillar we found. Well, like Susie did.
Susie found. Happy birthday, Susie!
Thank you, darling.
Look how pretty it is. I mean, weird it looks.
He's pretty though with an orange head. Isn't he? Oh, he's standing up for you.
He wants to look good for the camera.
Okay, so slime number one. Slime number one. It's a type of tannish, and then it's a type of tannish slime, and then
that's sticky. No, it's not sticky. It's actually,
and it has pink little beads in it, and it's adorable.
Really cute. Okay, maybe it's a little bit sticky.
You should have put more borax in it.
I told you to. I really like this slime.
Oh, no.
Oh, you shouldn't have touched it. You shouldn't have.
So this
And I
was a good slime, but like
no, it's still a good slime.
you need some borax.
Yeah, I do. So, and then just get a little bit and pound it like that. Okay, I guess it's your turn, Caitlin.
Okay, so one of my slimes. I'm gonna pick this blue slime. Raylan left it out in the sun for some reason.
So it can melt because it was kind of.
But it's probably sticky now since she. Yep. Why'd you have to do that?
It was like that in the first place. Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
As you can see, when it comes to slime, we argue. Hey, it's my turn.
That bad. Actually, better than it was.
This is gonna be the stickiest.
Actually,
slime
better
ever.
than it was before.
Better than I was before.
Thank God I'm yours. Sorry, we're a huge country fan.
Yeah, we love country. Comment down below if you like country. Okay. We're gonna put borax in this at the end of the video.
Yeah.
I'm doing this. I'm not putting my hands in there.
And comment down below. And 5, 4,
3, 2.
No, wait. I forgot to tell you what to comment. Tell us what color this is going to turn out at the end.
Yeah, what you think.
We have blue, tan, orange, white and purple, yellow, and another blue, and some black. And so comment down below what you think the color is going to turn into. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I hope you put that down in there.
I don't like that blue slime. Okay, most of our slimes are not sticky. It's just those two that are. It's those two that are really sticky.
My turn. I want to put in the yellow one. The yellow one's. Oh, I love this yellow one. But it's
all over me.
yellow. No. Bye bye.
This is what it turned out to be.
So.
It's actually kind of pretty, but like I'm afraid to touch it.
I wonder what it.
Oh. No taco. Okay, we can't mix it yet. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
How dare you? I touched it.
So I just made this one today. So
She's keeping some of it because she wants.
yeah, I have a bag. I want to show you guys before I throw it in there, because like I wanted to do a slime tour on this, but like it's beautiful. I just did some glue, some borax in it. You know, of course I mixed it with water, and then some purple beads, and you know, like it made them.
We will leave the recipes, how we made these slimes, in the comments down below. So make sure you check it out.
If you want any, sorry, we don't sell slime. But we probably will start it. We're just like not really old enough to.
Okay, Caitlin.
Wait, I gotta make a swirl. Okay. Oh, I get to keep it anyway. Which?
I'm deciding to put in this one.
Oh my. Oh wait, never.
Big, huge blue one.
Lump of blue. You should just put all of it. No, the blue will take over. I just know it.
No.
Oh, we also have this beautiful. It's black, but its texture is like.
We're not gonna put a lot in. We're not gonna put a lot of black in because, like, only about that much. I want poke.
Hey, not yet.
Yeah, we're able to poke. Just we can't.
Okay,
flip it like
that's
a taco and play.
Enough poke. Poking. I want to put this in.
And then I guess it leaves me with one.
Wait, that's it?
I thought we had more.
Nope. This is gonna take a while. Oh no, me. This Braylon did have it as a. She did have this as a tan, but then she put some model.
No, I had it as a. You know how I had it, Caitlin. I had it as orange because it's my favorite color. So yeah.
And then she's. Here, keep this. If you want to. Or not.
That's what I think about it. Okay, now blue looks like. I'm not gonna put a lot.
Because black takes over everything.
So I'm just gonna put like about
black takes
that much.
That much?
Yeah. Okay, fine. Like about that much. It's like a koala. It's like its big round nose, one of its ears, its eyeball, and then he lost an eyeball, and then his mouth. So you gonna mix?
You can do it first, and then I'll just play with it after you.
So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is. Oh, it's actually really good slime. Oh my god, I wonder what color it is. I wonder what color you put down. So, wish for luck.
I gotta think real fast. I think it's gonna turn into a bluish. I think it's gonna be like a turquoise. What do you think?
I have no idea.
Or
I think
pink.
These beads feel so good in it.
So, it's my turn to poke it. This is actually really good.
Told you.
It's not that stretchy, but it's a pokeball slime. Uh-oh. See, the black is already taking over.
No, it's not. See, the black is kind of right there, but it's not really taking over. I think it's going to turn tan. I don't know why, but we're still going to love it how it is. So.
And she's back. If you guys watched our other video with Lily in it, Braylon's friend and mine, kind of, too. And if you watched that video, we made slime and we mixed some of it and it looked like guts. Like human guts. Do you believe that?
I do. You probably don't see me, but okay. Okay, Braylon's turn. So huge. It's so heavy.
It's bigger than your face.
Yeah, look, it's actually bigger than my face.
Which one's cuter? I would say the slime. I'm kidding.
I would say this is like huge. I want to see if I can do a swirl. This is like impossible to do a swirl. Okay, let me try. Biggest swirl. Here, I want to see if I can. This slime, it's not really like, it's stretchy, but you know, like that. Yeah, it's stretchy.
Wait, I want to do something.
Look how pretty all the colors are making.
This is actually a pretty gray.
Yeah.
Like in person,
it's like
really,
repose.
in person. You guys comment down below what we should name this gray, beautiful cereal, like texture slime.
I know this is kind of a lot of commenting, but I mean,
Yeah, like just if you look back, like you saw it and everything, like what should we name it? Like it's kind of like a tan now.
now if anybody put gray, if anybody put gray, like on this, or if you participated, we'll do something for you.
We might give away slime. But
We
I
might
think we
give away
should call it moldy cereal.
Yes,
How do you guys like that? Moldy cereal.
but yeah. Now, guys, I got a challenge for you. I want you to get this video to 500 thumbs up. Think you can do that?
Yeah, we need just 500 thumbs up, likes, maybe even subscribers. We love you guys. We
And
really.
all you have to do to get whatever we're gonna hand to you, maybe it's slime, maybe it's some of the slime that you participated with, maybe it's anything else. We don't know yet, but if you subscribe, we will see who you are and we'll give you it. And we'll give you some.
Our slime turned out to be really good. And you comment down below we should name the slime. And
Caitlin, I'm going swimming today. I already went swimming. I went swimming during the week this week. You know why? Because Martine has a pool.
anyway, so make sure you go check out Adventures with Zoe and Marley's channel. They have amazing videos. They are really good entertainers. And yeah, so yeah. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
And Zoe and Marley, if you are watching this, if you're going to watch it, I hope that you give us a subscribe. But also comment down below. And I want to know, how are y'all doing? Are you doing well? Are you going to make more videos? And just so you know, we are watching. We might not subscribe, but we already have. But we are watching, just so you know.
Alright, bye.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Peace. We are the
Slime
Masters.
No, Slime-orators.
Slime KBUs.
Don't you think it's cool?
Okay. Oh, we also got to show you guys what we're going to do in some of our intros. Okay, here is the intro of some of our videos.
Yeah, okay. I hope you enjoy.
It's the Caitlin and Braylon, the Braylon and Caitlin, the Caitlin and Braylon show.
Put me down.
So, peace. Hope you like and subscribe.